Hello and welcome to My Retro Watches. This is a very quick video really, just to say thank you very much. The channel has reached 5,000 subscribers. That is a humongous number for me. I never thought I was going to get that sort of audience when I first started this channel. I'm really pleased that you're all tuning in and you're all liking the content that I'm making as I go along my watchmaking journey and tinkering at home. Hopefully you guys are learning things along the way too, which is really what it's all about. I want to try and inspire more and more of you to try and pick up some tools yourself and have a go at your own watches, because it is great fun. It's a brilliant hobby. It can be dead frustrating at times, but the rewards at the end are always worth all the effort you put in. So again, thank you so much, right, for 5,000. It's great. It's as much your channel as it is mine. Don't forget, I read all your comments. I like all your likes. You know, if you've got some ideas for videos, then please share them down below in the comments. You know, participation in the channel. Some of your ideas might be taken up if I feel confident enough to film them. So, coupled with saying thank you to you all, and because 5,000 is a monumental number, why not do another giveaway? So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I've hinted at it on the last one or two videos saying I was going to do one, so I'm going to announce it now here. And guess what we've got? We've got another Seiko, and yes, I've probably found the worst Seiko out there that is crying out for restoration. It's in really poor condition. Most of you would throw this one away, I think, but I sort of seen a little twinkle of life still in it, and I kind of think that it'd be a really good challenge for me to be able to film this particular restoration step by step. So we'll start, you know, stripping the movement out, see if we can get the movement running, see if it needs any parts, etc, clean up the dial, and then of course refinish the case. I'll try and take you through as many steps as I possibly can. I have no idea how many videos it's going to be over. It's probably going to be at least 4, I would think. And then at the end of it, of course, I will give it away to one of you guys, and it'll be completely free. I will ship it anywhere in the world like I did last time as a bit of a thank you for you guys as well. Of course, if you're around at the first one, my daughter's going to come in and she's going to help draw the lucky winners. She's really keen on getting on YouTube, and she was a great hit last time, so she's going to be just as much fun this time as well. And I'm also going to have 2 runner-up prizes, because I've got some My Retro Watches t-shirts. I've actually got a link which I'll put below to a Teespring website where I've actually got some t-shirts for sale if you did want to buy them. I'm not pressurizing you to do so. I've got them in various different colors, and the whole idea is, you know, to try and promote the channel a little bit like that. So I'll do some giveaways on those as sort of runner-ups, so hopefully that's might satisfy a few of you out there. So let's get down to the actual watch itself that I'm going to be giving away, and I'll put a picture up of it right here now. So there you go. You can see what I was looking at, and it's in really poor condition. The bezel is snapped, and half of it is now missing. But don't worry about things like that, because fortunately for me, in my scrap box, or my donor box, should we say, I've actually got the same case, which is remarkable really. Didn't have the movement in it, but it's got the same case. So I'm really pleased, because I can use that particular part from that case to make this watch work. Now, of course, it looks really bad, but I have had a closer look behind the scenes, so to speak, and I do think it's got potential. I really do. All will be found out as we go through the video sequence, of course. But I'm hopeful that I can restore this one back into service, and one of you guys might actually be quite proud to wear it. So I'm going to give it my best shot. Now, if at any point in time I feel that this can't be accomplished, or I'm not going to be happy with it to give it away because it's not turning out so well, don't worry, there will still be a giveaway, because I've got plenty more stashed away, and I've got a few lined up that are backups just in case. But this one will be a great challenge, and of course it will keep you guys interested, hopefully, in the progress of watching this watch be restored. I kind of feel that that's a great thing to do, certainly for them, the owner, because you've then got a record, a video record of how it was to how it is, and that's quite nice, I think, really. So, and it's a little bit for me to give back to you guys, of course. So stay tuned for those videos. Time wise, they're going to take some time, I'm afraid. I'm not envisaging starting filming of them until September, because I've got a couple of other things I need to do first, and I'm also going on holiday. So once I've come back and it gets into September, then I'll start filming in earnest, and it will probably take me maybe the whole month of September really to actually, you know, make the video sequences and get them right for you. So a long process, but stick around. It'll be well worth it's going to be worth my effort, I hope, certainly. But look, you know, again, thank you very much for all of your support in the channel. It's grown really big this year compared to what it was, and I'm very, very pleased that you're all coming along, like I say, on my journey, and that you're all participating, and hopefully you're learning things too. It's brilliant, brilliant, brilliant stuff. So look, I'm going to cut now to the bench so you can actually see the watch as it is now, a little bit closer up, see what you think of that. And other than that, you know, again, thanks for everything, guys. I will see you very soon in another video. Cheers. Okay, here we go. You can see it a little bit closer up. And as you can see, it looks pretty ropey. But I'm thinking a lot of this is dust and grime rather than actual tarnish. You can see that the case back, well, a lot of people have tried to open this, not just me, and eventually we have got into it. So the model number is a 6309. It's a 8500. I will see if I can find a photograph of this very watch somewhere on Google, and maybe put an image of that up so you can see what it would originally look like. So as I say, we're going to get this running and get this back into service. Do you think I can do it, given what you're looking at in front of you? That is the question. It's going to be a big project. It's going to take some time, but I'm actually quite optimistic, and I'm very much looking forward to getting stuck into it. So stay tuned. As I say, September is the month that I will start dismantling this watch. There might be 1 or 2 videos just before I start this series, because there's something else I'm working on at the moment, but I've also wanting to go away on holiday as well. So again, thanks very much for subscribing. Every one of you matter. Every comment I read, every like I like, of course. So more content coming very, very soon, and thank you very much for making this channel what it is. See you in the next one, guys.